Hey guys, hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on wherever you're watching wherever you are watching me from. Yeah, so in today's video, if you are my new subscriber, thank you for supporting me, for subscribing. If you're also my old subscriber, thank you for supporting me. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a simple way on how to make Nigeria akara. Yeah. So we are going to be making akara today. I also have a local akamu, which means pap, to eat it. So now I have washed my beans, so I soak it back. So I'm going to be introducing everything to you that I'm going to use on this recipe. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, these are all the things I'm going to be using. So this is my beans. I have washed it and soaked. So this is beans. So let me remove the water. So this is the pap I am saying earlier. So this is akamu, white akamu, which means pap. So it's called pap. So this one, now let me remove the water. So this is our beans. So this is my beans. I have washed it, then soak it. So this is my beans. Why this one in here is onions. You can use any types of onions you have at home. So I'm going to be using scotch bonnet pepper. This is the only one I'm using. And why this one here is onions I slice. So why this one is spring onions. It's optional. If you don't want to use onions, you can use a spring onion. So let's go straight to the video. First thing I'm going to be doing, I am going to add in my beans, with onions and what do they call this, pepper, bell pepper. So I'm going to be adding a bit of water to blend, to blend it. So that one is enough because I don't want the water to be too much. So now I'm going to blend.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it.
So guys, ready? So now I'm going to turn it inside here. So guys, this is not one scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm going to be slicing half of it. So I'm making use of half. So I'm going to be turning it in. This is my fry pan, so I'm going to be adding oil because I'm going to use this one to fry. So that is enough. So now I'm going to add my onions, my white onions. So add a bit of salt. Then I'll use this my turn stick to stir everything together. You have to keep on mixing. So let's start. So I'm going to leave it to fry. So I just lower my gas to number 4, you know. So so guys, let me check if it's ready to turn. So I'm going to be turning it now. So guys, can you guys see it? So I'm going to be testing it. It tastes so yummy, you know.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So guys, this is it. So thank you all for watching. So this is it. Let me cut it. So guys, this is our akara is ready. So thank you all for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, help me to be sharing the video, so thank you. Help me to be sharing the video. Bye, stay safe.